your trust in us and we'll be champions.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so pumped right now that The Incredibles 2 is finally out after such a long wait. So, in the spirit of that, I've put together this look inspired by Violet Parr. Let's get started. Before I begin, I'm going to put in my contacts. These contacts are from Pinky Paradise and they're super comfortable. I'm going to start off by mixing two concealers together to get the base shade that I want and applying it to my lid. Once it's applied, I don't set it with the powder. I'm going to begin by using the Morphe 35B palette and taking a navy blue shade, placing it in the crease. Really pack on the color. I'm now going to take an indigo shade and stack that on top of the other color. Taking the Zulu palette by Juvia, I'm going to take this purple shade and stack that on top of my previous color. Going back to the Morphe 35B, I'm taking this hot pink and stacking this color as well. Once you've stacked all the colors, you can begin blending. I didn't think that there was enough of the pink shade, so I added more so I can have a better transition in colors. I'm now going to take a black shade and place it in my crease so I can deepen the color. Now taking a concealer, I'm going to cut my crease. Taking this pale lavender shade, I'm going to pack it onto the inner 2/3 of my lid. Unfortunately, part of the video got cut out, but what I did was I blended in the navy blue shade into the pale lavender. I want a tritone color for my eyeliner, so I'm going to use a concealer to block out the space for the wing and then apply navy blue, purple, and pink inside that space. Then I'm going to outline the wing with eyeliner. The colors aren't as vibrant as I want, so I'm going to spice it up with glitter from the Makeup for Melanin Girls Pressed Glitter palette. Unfortunately, this part got cut out too, but I did use Too Faced glitter glue to apply the glitter. I'm going to start sketching out the outline for her mask. I'm using NYX Sand Beige lip liner, but you can use any nude toned pencil for your guideline. For the mask, I'm just using a reference photo of Violet Parr in her incredible super suit. Using Eddie Funkhauser's Graffiti Cream Eye Pencil, I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline. I love this eyeliner because it's really easy to smoke out and it does not budge. I'm going to continue smoking it out with the previous shades used earlier, the navy blue and purple along with the pink. And I'm just going to do that until I have the level of smokiness that I want. For my foundation, I'll be using CoverGirl's True Blend Matte Made. And I'm just going to apply it all over my face except for where I drew the mask out. For the sake of time, I'm not going to record myself doing my blush or my highlight and contour because I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. For the mask, I'm going to fill in the outline that I drew out with Mayron Paradise paint in black.
Where's my super suit? Tell me when I saw this woman.
I finished painting in the mask, so taking Mayron Paradise paint in white, I'm going to add highlights to give it a more realistic finish. I'm going to blend in the white until it starts turning gray. Doing this just helps the mask not seem so flat and gives it a nice finish. So I decided that I am going to shoot a highlight because it is poppin'. It is Ava Beauty's Ultraviolet from their Summer Glow collection. Whew. Okay guys, yeah, be careful with this because a little bit does go a long way. Using the same lip pencil I used to outline my mask, I'm going to use it to line my lips. And for my lipstick, I'll be using Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Lolita. The wig I'm going to be using is from Musegetes in the style HS3021. It is a lace front wig with soft lace, and it has about 2.5 inches parting space down the center with 1.5 inches on either side. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go lay the wig. If you have any questions on how I do it, I do have a video where I show you how to do it, and I'll try and link that above. Now with the wig applied, everything is in place and the look is finished. I am really loving this wig. I like that it's so long, it pretty much goes down to my butt. It's definitely one of my favorites. This is where I would insert some pretty cool witty Photoshop, but I'm a lame and I don't know how, so imagination. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're not following me on IG, please feel free to do so if you would like at O'Malley. Until next time, Mally Cats, stay super. You're all absolutely incredible.
Here, I'm getting a new plate.
So, how about you, Vi? How was school?
Nothing to report.
You've hardly touched your food.
I'm not hungry for meatloaf.
Well, it is leftover night. We have steak, pasta. What are you hungry for?
Tony Ridinger.
Shut up!
Well, you are.
I said shut up, you little insect.
Oh, she is.
Do not shout at the table. Honey?
Kids, listen to your mother.
She'd eat if we were having Tony loaf.
That's it!